A lot of complexity that happened lately. Yet, you're mature enough to realize that silence was not the answer I asked for. But you keep swimming anyway, deeper and deeper to the core. So, instead of making it more complex and difficult, I let you decide what's best for us. Maybe I was so obsessed back then and easily tricked by the idea of love. Live as a naive little girl who think that she could maintain everything she loved forever. She got manipulated by her own expectations, but then she decided that it was best for her to throw every nonsense things behind. And here I am, a critical thinker that relied no one but only herself. Selfishly have a desire to keep someone just for themselves was not love, but obsession. And I don't want to take this unhealthy movement further, so let's emphasize this long paragraph that I am no longer depends on you. Know your perfect shoulder, attractive smile, those eyesides, and everything you are. I'll be happy when you make those silly jokes, and I will laugh if you tickle my hips. I will smile because of you, but I have to feel that kind of way every day, with or without you.